It's October, must be Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Captain Chris here with the Prop Glide booth, and I would like to introduce Paul, who will explain what his product does.
How are you
Paul.
today? Okay, a little bit about Prop Glide is that we're a propeller and running gear coating system. What it does is it prevents any marine growth from adhering to a prop or any running gear, and that would mean your shafts, your struts, your rudders, and your trim tabs, as well as your propellers. It's a very easy process. The thing is to make sure that you start with a profile between 60 and 80 grit. Okay, cleaning that prop with a denatured alcohol or an acetone, and after that, make sure that all dirt and residue is eliminated. We suggest using a white t-shirt material. That way you can see if there's any dirt or residue left on there. So once you do that with the profile, then you use what we have as a chromate primer. It's a two-part, and it hardens by itself. It's a hardening component, and you do 2 coats of the etch primer. Okay, once that etch primer is done, then you're going to put a top coat of silicone. All of these steps you need between 5 and 15 minutes, so it will create a hot bond and it will stick to each other and be the most durable that it can be.
And so, this is real slippery. And how do you keep marine growth from slipping, from sticking to? You said something about spinning it
You should spin the prop at least every 2 weeks. And any growth that does try to occur will shed right off.
And that doesn't necessarily mean leaving the dock, just spinning the propellers at the dock.
Correct. They just need to rotate.
Okay, so if the weather's bad, you can still do it.
Sure.
Keep it clean.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And besides not allowing marine growth, it is a very grippy surface. But once it's submerged in water, it becomes very slick. And therefore, your props will cut through the water a lot easier. It will increase your vessel speed. It will better your fuel economy. And it's a great product. It's well worth it to put this on your propeller rather than try and scrape it off like you can see in that picture right there.
Correct.
You don't want that.
Correct. Now, because this does not rotate, but when you rotate the propeller, the prop wash will rinse this free of debris.
Exactly.
Okay. And
exactly.
If you've got a diver,
if you have a diver, we suggest going down with either a soft sponge or, again, a t-shirt material. Very soft. Do not use anything abrasive like a Scotch-Brite or anything like that, because you don't want to damage this. It's a very costly product, but you don't want to take a chance on damaging it. You want it to work properly.
And other than that, 2 best things are, number 1, made in USA, and number 2, made in South Florida.
That's
made in South Florida.
Exactly
okay.
Right.
Well, thank you, Paul. I appreciate it.
Okay. Thank you for listening.
All righty. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.